Hi, this is Kim with Integrate Therapy and Wellness. Today I'd like to invite you to participate in a calm, safe space meditation. Calm, safe space meditation is a technique that creates a mental refuge, a place where our minds and bodies can react and rest as though they are in a secure environment. This calm, safe space meditation is often associated with EMDR and other trauma therapies, but it can also be a healthy coping mechanism during times of stress or overwhelming emotion. The key to the safe space meditation is detail. The more detail we can assign to the sights, sounds, sensations of our chosen safe space, the more we can anchor this experience in our mind and make it easier to return to this place whenever we need a break. To begin with, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Once you feel settled, notice your body. Try not to think too much about it, just let it happen. How does your body feel? Begin to relax by releasing any areas of tension that you observe. Take slow, deep breaths and imagine this breath going into those areas of tension. And as you exhale, let the tension go. Focus your attention on any areas that are tense or painful as you take another breath in. Feel this area relaxing as you breathe out. Allow your breathing to gradually slow down. Breathe in and out. As you do this, allow yourself to picture in your mind's eye a safe place. What is the first place that comes to mind? What type of place does your mind choose as a safe place? Picture a place that feels calm, safe, and serene. It can be a place that you know or someplace completely imaginary. But it is a place where you feel safe and protected. Imagine the details of your surroundings. Notice the foliage and beautiful colors. What season is it? Notice what is beneath your feet. Is it earthy soil, rock, sand? Are you barefoot? What does it feel like beneath your feet? What smells do you notice? Is it sweet or refreshing? What sounds do you hear? Notice if there is any water, and if you can hear the sound of the water. Notice if there is a breeze or wind. What does it feel like on your face? Is the temperature warm or cool? Allow yourself to take in all of your senses, feeling calm, serene, and peaceful. Breathe in and out. Now allow yourself to imagine lying down in the safe place and feel the earth supporting your body. Imagine the earth is cradling you and allowing you to relax even more and feel safe during this meditation. Feel your body resting and allow any tension to be released into the ground, letting it seep away. Do you hear water nearby or birds? Imagine your breath moving through you and taking away any tension left in your body. Breathe in and out. Now look above you and notice the color of the sky. Can you feel the sun? What else do you see? Are there clouds or plants? Notice the beautiful colors. Look around and notice a place where you can sit. Feel the sun warming you and further relaxing you. Breathe in and allow this breath to fill you with a sense of calm and peace, moving from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice how as you become more of a part of your safe place, that you feel more rested, more relaxed, and more at peace. Breathe in and out. After you have thoroughly visualized this place and you are ready to leave, allow yourself to come back into the room and leave your safe space for now. Know that you can return to this safe place anytime you like. Continue to breathe smoothly and rhythmically and take a few moments to experience feeling relaxed after this meditation. Remember that your breath and your safe place are always there for you and available whenever you need to go there.